Hello, good day to my future employer. My name is Richie Tamarong, 32 years old from Hingoog City, Philippines. I have two daughters, ages 10 years old and 5 years old. I am hardworking and I have extended patience, especially in children and in the elderly. My education is I'm a college level with a course of Bachelor of Arts major in Sociology. I am also a certified caregiver with a national certificate too. I had trained in the hospital for 80 hours and 100 hours in the home for the elderly. My work experience is I am an ex-abroad in Hong Kong for 2 years. My main duty is to take care of two kids ages 1-year-old girl and a 2-year-old boy, including their 62 years old grandmother. I do their proper hygiene like toothbrushing, bathing, dressing them up, and take them to school. I also teach them how to speak basic English and help them with their homeworks. In the afternoon, we go to the park to play. I also do the house chores like cleaning the house, ironing, doing laundry, and preparing the food for them. I am looking forward to be hired by you, ma'am, sir, as my future employer. I know that my training and my good character can contribute to you to have a better and easy life in the future. I will treat your kids like my kids. I will show them full of love, and I make sure that in my supervision your kids is safe with me. Thank you and God bless.